Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to reset YONO SBI username and password. Firstly, open the SBI YONO app or go to the website. From the login page, click Forgot my login password. A pop-up window will appear, just click Next. Now you need to fill in the following information such as username, account number, country, registered mobile number, date of birth, or CAPTCHA code and click Submit. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Just enter it in the required field to verify your identity. Now follow the instructions to create a new password or a new username. Then click Submit to complete the reset process. Your SBI YONO account password or username is now updated and you can log in using the new credentials. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.